Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of premium audio with a product that's been making waves in the home entertainment scene. Say hello to the Pyle Pair 6.5 Flush Mountain Wall and Ceiling Two-Way Home Speaker System. If you're in the market for the best-built ceiling speakers, look no further. Pyle has truly outdone themselves with this pair. But what sets them apart from the competition? Let's find out. First off, seamless integration is key. These speakers blend effortlessly into any home theater setup, delivering incredible stereo sound without taking up any precious floor space. With a flush mount design and quick connect spring-loaded terminals, installation is a breeze. No clutter, no hassle. And let's talk about sound quality. Equipped with dual polypropylene cone drivers and high-compliance polymer tweeters, these speakers pack a punch. Whether you're watching movies, streaming music, or gaming, you'll experience immersive, full-range sound that fills the room. But it's not just about performance, it's about durability too. Pyle knows that quality construction is essential for longevity. That's why these speakers feature stain-resistant grills and ABS construction, ensuring they stand the test of time. Plus, with a sleek, minimalist design, these speakers complement any aesthetic. Whether you're going for a modern, contemporary look or a classic, timeless vibe, these speakers fit right in. Don't just take our word for it, customers are raving about these speakers. From easy installation to impressive sound quality, people love the value they're getting with the Pyle Pair 6.5 Flush Mountain Wall and Ceiling Two-Way Home Speaker System. So, if you're ready to take your home entertainment to the next level, consider upgrading to the Pyle Pair 6.5 Flush Mountain Wall and Ceiling Two-Way Home Speaker System. With seamless integration, premium sound quality, and unbeatable durability, it's truly the best built-in ceiling speakers on the market. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching Product Critique. See you next time.